Okay, good morning. We're going to continue on with our construction plan tutorials, Volume 1, Bridge Plan Reading, Episode 2, Interpreting Stations. Stationing. What is stationing? Stationing is a process of defining locations along the project by station numbers. Highway construction projects are divided into reference points spaced along the project. These points are called stations and are designated by numbers such as 755 plus 50.00. A lot of times on DOT projects, you're going to find something what they call a right-of-way marker or a monument. There's the detail off to the left there. It's a concrete column. It's got a little medallion in the top, and you'll see them installed at every station point along a finished project. Stationing. Station directions. Majority of the time, DOT will lay out their projects from west to east and south to north. It's a good little in the field reference. Up and down station. You'll hear this in the field. You have up station and down station. Sometimes you might hear them as ahead and behind. The terms up station and down station are terms used on the job site to denote a direction. Up station direction refers to the direction of the station counting up, vice versa. Down station's direction refers to the station counting down. This is important because when referencing left and right sides of the project, it is to referring while facing up station. And that can be confusing. If you're looking on the plans and say you have drains on the left-hand side of the bridge, you got to make sure that you're facing up station. That'd be the left-hand side, right-hand side. You can get confused if you're not facing in the right direction. Stationing continued. It is standard station notation. In its standard station notation, you show how many stations you have gone plus how many feet you have gone. So the station 1 plus 50 is one station plus 50 feet, or 150 feet. You'll see right here every 100-foot increments, and this is the amount of footage after the station. This does not exceed 99 feet. The reason is once you go over 99 feet, you're at the next station. So in this situation, if you after 0 1 plus 99, it goes to 0 2 plus 0 0. Just counts up. Distances can be calculated by adding and subtracting stations. Stations are shown as such: 11 plus 55, where 11 is 1100 feet and the 55 is the additional feet, i.e. 1100 plus 55 is 1155 feet, or 11 plus 55. If you want to determine the distance, subtract the down station from the up station. How many feet are between station 11 plus 55 and 12 plus 84? 12 plus 84 minus 11 plus 55, or 1,284 minus 1,155 gives us 129 feet. And here in this bridge example, you have a back face abutment 1, begin bridge station 117 plus 65. You have a back face abutment 3, end bridge station at 122 plus, that looks like 11. 11. Formulas up station minus down station equals distance. So in this case, it'd be 122 plus 11 minus 117 plus 65 gives us 446 feet. Pretty easy. A lot of times it's just interpreting the words on the plans and knowing what you're looking at. So on your plan sheet is a line. On the plan sheet is a line running down the center of the proposed highway. This line represents the baseline. Follow the baseline, you will notice regular space marks. These marks are stations. It is not unusual for any offset structures, POI locations, and distances are taken off. Or taken off the baseline. It's also referred to as the center line. So sometimes your center line and baseline might not meet up, but in most situations. So you'll see right here, You got station 1100 and station 1200, 100-foot distances. Also, here's your baseline running through the bridge. Hash marks every 100 feet. And here's an example. The superintendent and foreman are scoping out a new job. The job is to remove an existing bridge and build a new one in its place. The super wants to rough mark out the abutment and locate bent 2. He wants to verify if there is a cofferdam. He wants to verify if a cofferdam is to be used. The foreman notices that the plans note the beginning station of the existing bridge and the beginning station of the new bridge. The foreman then takes the station of the existing bridge, 15 plus 30.36, and subtracts the new bridge station from it, 15 plus 11 from it. This gives the foreman a distance of 19.36 feet or 20 feet, or 19 foot 4 3/8, or approximately 20 feet. Now that the foreman has laid out abutment 1, they can lay out the rest of the bridge bents by using the same subtraction formula and plans. And no, they do not need a cofferdam. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, either turn around, tap me on the shoulder, or send me an email. Thanks.